Hi Jack, it's Bernie. Hope you're doing good. So here's the first part. You put on small foam grip on the bar, okay? Push it up a little. Then glue. This is contact cement. Then put the contact cement on and make sure it's flush on the top. Now the handle is glued. That's for the bar. Glue the handle. Next, this is the slider, okay? And this has to go on here, no glue, but it's too tight. It's too tight, so we take water, just water, wet, put on, and then when the water dries, it's nice and tight. That's it. 2 parts to work. Then, okay, next part. 3 stretch cords, your beautiful elbow cuff, instruction sheet go together. Take sliding handle, put it on, take stretch cords, elbow cuff, instruction and brochure, take rubber band, one time, turn it around, take rubber band, two times, box, that's it. I hope you are doing well, my friend. I hope to give you much business. Thank you.